actually, as what we said, العلم رحم بين أهله. So we have to introduce each other the idea of conflict management and family businesses, because I understand that all what I've mentioned, or all the problems that family business may face, are already known by the family members, but no one was talking to them as this is a legal problem that we have and we need to solve it, and the solution is there.
We are very happy, first of all, about the university and the college joining the consortium. It is a great addition for us because it's the first university institution that we have in Saudi Arabia. This also tells a lot about the openness of the country, I think, in focusing more on family businesses. And we are very excited about the opportunity to work together to bring cultural aspects and also institutional consideration of Saudi family businesses within the global debate, and try also to learn from each other.
Families are families, no matter where in the world they are. You love your children, you love your daughter, you love your father, but each culture constrains our psychology and our behavior. And that's what we have to understand, is how the context, the culture, the religion, make us different.
I'm already an employee in one of the family businesses here in Saudi Arabia, and the company was, I think, more than 25 years here in the market in Saudi Arabia. So I have information, a little bit of information of the family businesses, but by attending this workshop, I got a lot of information. This gives me advantages to how to manage and how to apply the governance in the family business here in Saudi Arabia.
You know, there is always conflicts, and there are conflicts in family businesses as well. And one of the most important things which we should remember, that to avoid these conflicts, we have to be proactive. We have to be emotionally intelligent. We have to be seeing that what is other person's point of view. We have to be empathetic about it.
And I walk out today with good connections, with good background and understanding of the ecosystem and dynamics of the family business, and how to tackle all the challenges of the family business in Saudi and the region.
It was really a good knowledge, and they shared us their a good experience and a good researches, what we need, and future challenges, for the family business. Thanks a lot for that.